So if we are looking at Nifty's weekly chart, and we are going to give you view on Nifty's possible movement in next 18 days. So Nifty weekly chart is indicating that it's in downtrend, as can be seen in this under this downtrend line which I have drawn. And this week, I think we have seen some selling near 23,800. So because of which, whatever gains it had registered earlier, that it has given up. So the candle is still green, but on the higher level, it has shown some selling. So it's critical for Nifty now to sustain these horizontal line support that are drawn over here. For example, this is the support that is there, and the value you can see is 23 to 63. So that should be sustained. 23,000 is again a round figure support, so that needs to be sustained. In absence of that, I think we can still go back to 22,786. So in this scenario, I think what you can do is basically, as you can see on the higher level, it is actually facing resistance, facing selling pressure. So you have to possibly sell. If you're a trader, then 24,000 call you can think of selling, and 24,500 call you can think of buying. That's credit spread basically. Or if you're let's say pure portfolio long term hedger, then I think you can buy 23,000 put to hedge your portfolio. If you're a speculator on the downside, I think looking at the downtrend, you can actually have uh, put put option bought, which are like in the money puts. So that can give you linear gains if it starts correcting further. So that is a possibility. So be cautious. I think the news flow from US is actually dictating terms in current times. And in that scenario, stop loss is must. So be very cautious. Trade with hedge. If you're a long-term investor, buy on these support levels, and buy your favorite stocks which are fundamentally sound for long term, and build your portfolio. So that's the view I have for this week, and I'll continue to give this kind of clear, crisp views in coming weeks. If you like this clear, crisp views, then do subscribe to my channel, so that whenever I release the next video, you'll get automatic intimation, and you can build on your knowledge. So that's about it for this time being, and I'll meet you in next week's video. So thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.